In the words of Robert Kiyosaki, if you are not a brand, you are a commodity. So, why is it that so few business owners invest in building their brands? Sure, you've got other demands on your time. Brand building may seem relatively unimportant when you're still struggling to get your product to market or to find your product market fit. But don't dismiss the power of brand building entirely. You don't have to hire an expensive brand strategist to refine your company's image. But you do need to go beyond picking a color palette for your company and calling it your brand. I want to let you in on a little secret. Even if you're running a small business or just starting a new business, you can learn important branding lessons from a successful multinational company. In today's video, we're going to be explaining the power of branding through the examples of big and successful companies who teach us a thing or two about branding. But before we continue, if you don't want to miss a video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we post new videos. Let's get started. Number 6, Apple. What started as a shrug to IBM's Think, Apple brand promised to arguably the most famous slogan of all time and the key to Apple's wild successes in the computer industry. Apple's brand promise is two-sided. They're guaranteed to create products based on seeing the world a little differently, and their promise to inspire their customers to do the same. We can easily say that Apple is one of the most successful brands of our generation. No matter where you go, everyone has heard of their brand and they associate it with high-end products, unique design, bright stores, and great employees. Their customer service is definitely worth mentioning because even though they have opted for a one-size-fits-all strategy, the protocol of each of its worldwide stores is tailored to the local tastes. They maintain the same look in all the locations, but their content on Apple's site is carefully translated and localized for international audiences. Number 5, Coca-Cola. Think for a second about everything you know about the Coca-Cola brand. Now, imagine that the company released a new purple can with the words Coca-Cola in a bold sans serif font. You can't picture it, can you? That's because Coca-Cola has one of the clearest, all-encompassing brand standards out there. Everything from the company's packaging, its social media profiles, to its television commercials draws on the same colors, fonts, motifs, and experiences. None of it is by accident. A big part of Coca-Cola's success comes from its ability to transmit feelings and expectations through its branded elements. When you see that red and white can, you know you're going to get a crisp, refreshing beverage no matter where in the world you're buying it. You can do the same for your company. Start by learning how to develop a comprehensive brand standard and about the mistakes many companies encounter when going through this process. Number 4, Starbucks. Their success is attributed to real customer experience around coffee consumption. The emphasis is on classy design, cozy atmosphere, custom-made coffee, friendly staff, and fast service. According to a Starbucks consumer case study, customers choose their brand of coffee over others because of its quality and because of the company. Rated the 6th most desired company in the world by Fortune magazine, Starbucks is held in high regard for its pledge to social responsibility. With more than 28,000 stores around the globe, Starbucks remains the largest roaster and retailer of Arabica coffee beans and specialty coffees. Among Fortune 500 rankings for 2020, Starbucks ranks number 121. Number 3, L'Oreal. As a world leader in beauty, L'Oreal is present in 130 countries on 5 continents. Their mission is to provide the best in innovative products and cosmetics to women and men around the world. The brand also shows high respect for diversity, which only makes them even more appealing to people in different countries. By cleverly combining deep research and development with strong and strategic marketing campaigns and distribution, they successfully attracted the attention of different kinds of consumers. One of their strategies is to keep buying new local brands, which affirms their leadership globally. With massive media budgets and globally known celebrity endorsements, they are one of the best examples of a successful marketing campaign. Number 2, McDonald's. One of the key elements of McDonald's global success is their uniformity. No matter which country you visit, McDonald's will grant the same quality, experience, and food. Customers rely on consistency and equal value regardless of the location, and that is exactly what McDonald's provides them. We can also contribute their success to their cultural awareness. For example, in Thailand, McDonald's offers a samurai pork burger, unique to the area. In addition to their universal meals, McDonald's had added some customized offers in almost all the countries they have entered into, adjusting to the local desires of the consumers they serve. In Japan, apart from the traditional menu, you can find seasonal and limited items such as the Teritama burger, served during spring, or the Tsukimi burger, served during Tsukimi season, which is in autumn. In the US, there are popular McRibs, just available for a short time each year. This is a good example of adapting to customers' tastes, vital when talking about marketing. Experimentation is vital, and it is often carried out by adding or deleting food from menus according to latest customer trends and local popularity. Number 1. Kirkland Signature. Since 2009, the Kirkland Signature brand by Costco has maintained positive growth. Signature encompasses hundreds of items, including clothing, coffee, laundry detergent, and food and beverages. One study shows that Costco sells more wine than any other brand in the country, despite state laws that restrict it from selling alcohol in certain areas. Costco even provides members with exclusive access to cheaper gasoline at its private gas stations. Adding to Kirkland's popularity is the fact that its products cost less than the other name brands. Costco's Kirkland's is similar to other private label brands. So that's it for today, guys. We hope we were able to effectively explain the power of branding through real examples. Hope you liked the video and learned something new about branding today. Thanks for watching.